Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome to True Oracles by Moca. So today I wanted to just go over my Oracle cards and my Tarot cards. I'll be doing them separately. So part one will be the Oracle cards. Part two will be the Tarot cards. If you're into divination or you're curious about divination and want to empower yourself to tap into your own spirituality, your own spiritual energy, then these cards were actually designed with that in mind. So I would love your support of my small business, and I really hope that these cards will resonate with you. All right, so let's get started. So here I have my Affirmations for Divine Energy by Moca deck. It's a nice large deck here. As you can see, it's very nice and vibrant. This one, for example, says, breakthrough. I recognize a situation that is not serving my well-being and walk away in peace. This one says, quiet reflection. I am balanced and thoughtful before I act. I rely on my intuition to guide me. So this is very, very positive and uplifting when you're working on developing your spirituality. Affirmations for Divine Energy by Moca. So this next deck is Moods for Balanced Energy by Moca. And this one features general motivational messages. Like this one says, life is so much better when you laugh out loud. This one says, reminisce about the good old days. This one says, chin up to the sunshine instead of looking down at shadows. So it's just general positive messages here. Moods for Balanced Energy by Moca. Next we have Empress Energy Guidance by Moca. And this one, as the name suggests, Empress Energy, but anyone that's wanting to hone that Empress divine feminine side of them, because that applies to both men and women. This is just very positive and uplifting. This one, for example, it says, harmony, strike a good balance between your spiritual and everyday life. Just to give you an idea of what they look like, very vibrant, very positive and encouraging. This one says, on-chain, consciously end repetitive cycles that are hampering your progress. Okay, so that's Empress Energy Guidance by Moca. Next, we have Ancestral Guidance by Moca. So this is, as the name suggests, messages from the ancestors. This one says, don't give up safety in any form for a risky situation. And these are also quite nice. There's a feather theme here, like a white feather, and it's kind of smoky, as you can see. There are several different colors, but all of them have just really wonderful messages. Like this one says, take it day by day, stay grounded as you grind. This one says, know your limitations. Don't take on more than you can handle. So very encouraging, positive messages from the ancestors. Ancestral Guidance by Moca. This one is Divine Feminine Affirmations by Moca. So these are just affirmations to help you hone your energies and delve more into your spiritual soul self. I think, I believe that I am whole and abundant, therefore I am. I release and my tears wash away the things that have been weighing heavily on me. Very positive. My goal is to leave people energetically uplifted. So, Divine Feminine Affirmations by Moca. Next, I have Mirror Soul Guidance by Moca, and this just goes through the stages and information pertaining to mirror souls or twin flames. So this one says 5D spiritual love. It just gives a breakdown of what that is. This one is about the soul contract. This one says the spy. For example, it says, it is not uncommon while mirror souls are in physical separation and are not in contact that one or both twins might secretly spy on the other from a distance to see what they are up to. So this just, as I said, goes over the mirror soul twin flame journey. This one says soul shock. When mirror souls meet or recognize their twin, it can feel like a shock to the soul. It is like they are meeting a version of themselves, not on a physical level, but on a spiritual one. This shock is what commonly triggers the runner into separation phase of the connection. So these are also quite nice. And again, Mirror Soul Guidance by Moca. Next, I have Lotus Chakra Guidance by Moca. So this shows all the different chakras here, all 7 chakras. And this is a breakdown of each of the chakra. Like number 4 is a heart chakra, Anahata, and that deals with love, connection, balance, peace, compassion. And it has an affirmation here. I love from my core. I am open to receiving love. I am a source of healing to others. So this is just each of the 7 chakras has its own card. And this is a cover card for it that shows each of the chakras and where they're located. So Lotus Chakra Guidance by Moca. Next we have Intuitive Oracles by Moca. And this is, I think, my largest deck. And as you can see here, it has a lot of just general sort of fortune-telling messages, but also very encouraging messages. It also touches on a little bit of numerology, angel numbers, timelines, things like that. So like we have here, this, for example, is 1010. Timelines, and often when we see synchronicities, it's on a clock. So 1010, for example, angel number has to do with a time of major changes and making strides towards destiny. Step out of your comfort zone and broaden your horizons. Professional and financial success awaits. So it's just quite a lot of information here. Like this one says, umbrella. Be prepared to tackle any challenges that may come. The more aligned one is with God's source, the greater the feeling of being divinely protected. So again, Intuitive Oracles by Moca. Here we have postcards from the universe to the collective. And this deck is really cute. It has just messages from the universe. So for example, this one says, sweet soul, how have you been? Do you realize that your elders and other people you consider to be of power and influence are flawed humans who were themselves influenced by flawed humans before them? No doubt these flaws have affected, even hurt you. It's time to heal your childhood wounds. Love, Uni. So sweet. So, very nice floral themed postcards from the universe by Moca. Next we have Whispers from the Universe, and this deck is very nice. It's got 3 different categories: a problem category, timelines, and just winks from the universe. Winks. So as the name suggests, whispers from the universe. It just gives you just a variety of things to ponder, think about. Obviously, the problem cards suggest things that need to be worked on or maybe problems that you're facing. Winks just give encouragement. And in this case, it says dragonflies. If you see dragonflies, that's just a nudge or a wink from the universe just to, be in the moment. And again, timelines, it gives months, etc. So that's Whispers from the Universe by Moca. Next, we have Mystic Wings Tarot Oracles by Mocha. And this is a butterfly and moth themed deck. For example, this one says, the empath. You are loving, compassionate, selfless, and hold a deep love for family and friends. But don't forget to nurture yourself too. Trust in your deep psychic abilities and intuition. This one says, the chariot. Determination and hard work is rewarded. You successfully balance multiple tasks at once. Action leads to progress. Public recognition or a journey awaits. So there is a level of fortune telling, but more so encouragement, empowerment. So this is what they look like. Again, butterfly and moth themed. Mystic Wings Tarot Oracles by Mocha. And as this suggests, it's tarot oracles. It's in an oracle format, but sort of based on traditional tarot with the meanings of some of the cards at least. Next, we have Auracles de Fleurs by Mocha. And this is one of my favorite of all the decks. It's got, again, floral theme, but more in a vintage fashion. For example, this one says, hunger for wisdom. Query and seek to satiate your inquisitive mind. This one says, shedding. Release toxic patterns, behaviors, and cycles. Tap in. Utilize your power to create abundance for yourself. So this is very positive and uplifting. Auracles de Fleurs by Mocha. Next, we have True Life Oracles by Mocha. And this is another oracle deck. And this one is very vibrant and gives a lot of insight and positive messages. So, for example, this one is number 36. It says, lemonade. Life has dealt you some bitter lemons, but you possess a certain spark that enables you to see the bright side of things. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and upcycle that energy to your benefit. Very positive, uplifting messages here. And I just love the pattern on the cards. True Life Oracles by Mocha. Next, we have Café Karma Oracles by Mocha. And this is also a nice, vibrant deck. This one, for example, says, chill. Remain calm under pressure and evaluate the situation before reacting. So this one is very uplifting and also sort of fortune-telling type of deck. This one says, transcend ego. Rise above toxic self-service and low vibrational pursuits. Despair. Have a plan B ready in the event things don't work out as expected. So really nice deck, nice and vibrant, uplifting, positive messages. Café Karma Oracles by Mocha. My next deck is Vintage Rose Oracles by Mocha. As you can see, I love florals and plant-themed cards. So this one says, don't delude yourself. See the reality and entirety of the situation. So it's a vintage style rose deck. This one says, accept that there are some things you cannot change. So just very thought-filled messages, encouraging messages. With a few different patterns here. Again, Vintage Rose Oracles by Mocha. And the messages on each of these decks so far are quite different. Some may be similar, but each deck is its own collection of messages. So next I have Spirit Animal Guidance by Mocha. And as the name suggests, it's messages from our spirit guides. So here we have Pigeon Spirit, for example. This one says, know when to move your wings and when to allow the wind to take you to new heights. Purify your thoughts. Don't attract what you don't want by focusing on it. A problematic cycle is ending. So these are just very insightful messages from spirit guides. Also vintage style. Spirit Animal Guidance by Mocha. Next we have Mandala Guidance by Mocha. Another round deck and mandala themed with messages, different colors. This one, for example, says head over heart. This calls for practical thinking. So quite empowering and insightful, thoughtful. Do what makes you happy. Mandala Guidance by Mocha. Next we have Teatime Affirmations by Mocha, and this is a teapot, tea cup, coffee cup themed deck that has affirmations on the back. This one, for example, says, I'm spiritual. I am confident. So if you like teacups and things like that, this is very appropriate. I am loyal. Tea Time Affirmations by Mocha. This deck is Mystic Whispers by Mocha. So this is a fairy themed deck, just with thoughtful little messages. Very cute. If you're into fairies, this is perfect. So this one, for example, says fertility. So the thought or the idea is someone's fertility. Maybe they're having fertility issues, or something positive will come with the idea of fertility. This one says happy birthday. So they're just really simple and cute. Marriage and partners. So the focus is on marriage and partnerships. Safe travel. Faith. Health. So again, Mystic Whispers by Mocha. Next we have my Floracles by Mocha deck. And again, plant theme, floral themed. This is mostly orchids. I collect and grow orchids. So this one, for example, says, believe, let your inner voice guide you where you need to go. So beautiful orchids, all of which I've grown myself. So if you're an orchid lover or you know an orchid lover, this might be perfect for them. Appreciate. Notice the small moments of joy every day, like a warm smile from a stranger. So it's just really positive and uplifting. There's quite a large Floracles by Mocha book. So you're able to not only see the messages, but also enjoy the flowers more in their grandeur. So I'll include the link for that. That book is available on Amazon separately. Floracles by Mocha. So my next deck is Song Oracles by Mocha. I actually write and compose music, and I thought it would be interesting to create a deck based on some of my songs, because most of my songs tell a story, a life story to some degree, or it offers encouragement just dealing with certain life issues. So this one, for example, says Back to You, and it has to do with lost love, determination, honesty, and hope. And what's cool about these cards is they're double-sided. This one says, uh-oh, oh no. This song has to do with tackling problems and adversity head-on. Find mature, logical solution. Remain calm under pressure and perseverance. So this one is Bravo Maestro. This song has to do with love, infatuation, a budding romance, and having a crush. So we have several here. Again, Song Oracles by Moca. So the final oracle deck I want to show you is Fortune Oracles by Moca. And this cute deck has little fortune messages. This one, for example, says the man on ladder. The focus is on work or business matters. This one says the ship, a very long journey or a place near water. This one says the invalid, an illness or setback, but likely only temporary. So this focuses more on what's upcoming for you, what your current situation is. So if you're interested to know that, this deck is perfect for that. But in general, all of the oracle decks include a little bit of fortune telling and a lot of encouragement. So I've also written a few books that are on Amazon. This is just a book version of decks that I have that are sold separately. We have here Affirmations for Divine Energy by Moca, and Divine Feminine Affirmations by Moca, and Mirror Soul Guidance by Moca. We have Lotus Chakra Guidance by Moca, Floracles by Moca, and Healing Energy Guidance by Moca that explores all the different healing gems and crystals and things like that. Next, we have the Astro Numero Tarot by Moca, book form that breaks down the whole meanings of the tarot cards that you saw before. And we also have Affirmations for Divine Energy, Spiritual Journal. It's a lined journal, and Divine Feminine Journal. So do check those out. They also make great gifts. So there you have it, guys. I would love your support. I'll include the link for you to go check out the shop site. Even if you're not able to purchase, please share the links with friends and family. If you're interested in my tarot decks, check out part 2. Love and light. Thanks for watching.